Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel, Chili 1911. Today I'm going to show you this Eagle One Nevr-Dull. It's a all metal polish. I bought some, clean up an old belt buckle I had and it worked pretty good, so today I thought I'd try it out on this brass slider. It says excellent for silver, gold, brass, copper, pewter, steel, aluminum, and chrome. Stuff's really made for like cleaning the wheels on your car or something, but I'm gonna try it out. It worked pretty good on that buckle, so I'm gonna try it on this lighter. So you can kind of see this is a user lighter. It's not one of my good ones, so you can kind of tell it's got some spots and stuff on it. Let's see if we can shine it up. This stuff, you just open it up, the can, and it's got like a cotton material in it. So what you do is just pull a piece of it out, kind of wad it up into a ball. You'll see it does leave kind of a residue on your fingers, but it's nothing terrible. So we'll you just rub it on. You can already see that black crud coming off of it right there at the edge. Yeah. Brass is bad about getting a green film to it, and that may be what this one was trying to do. It's more black right now, but it may have been trying to turn green on me. Fun fact, if you haven't watched any of my Zippo videos, unless it's specifically specified, like you buy like one of the expensive sterling silver, or even the old World War II black crackle lighters that were made of steel, pretty much as a general rule all Zippo lighters are brass. So if you get a chrome one or chrome plated or something like that, that's all it is it's plated. If you take the insert out and look down in it, it's brass, just like this one. I actually like the brass lighters. This is probably one of my favorite ones. I have three that I kind of rotate around that I use all the time. Out of my whole Zippo collection, I use this brass. I've got one satin chrome and a street chrome. Now, take you a napkin or something and just kind of wipe that old residue off. It's like I said, it is kind of a film. It's not really sticky or anything, it's just more greasy than anything, I guess you could say. If you had to have a word to describe how that stuff feels. It does have a bit of a smell to it. It's not really an odor, but you can take your time on this and spend more time on it. I just kind of wanted to show you in a quick video how it cleans this brass up. You can see even on this white napkin it's still bringing that black stuff off. These brass sliders as well is like this one's kind of like what they would call a brushed finish, I guess. So it's kind of porous. So it holds a lot of crud and stuff down in it, but you can kind of tell from when we started it's a lot more polished than it was, especially on the back there. Like I said, you can spend more time on it, really get it shining, but it's catching the light there, kind of trying to shine into the camera. But it's just a quick video on that Eagle One. Like I said, it's called Nevr-Dull. You can find it in the automotive section of your local auto parts store, Walmart and stuff like that. I can't remember how much it cost. I mean, it don't cost a whole lot, but you could probably even do something like a stainless steel ring or something, which I know you can. But alright guys, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Chili 1911 out.